Welcome to Data Info. Today we will talk about one of the use case which is related to movie streaming service. So the question is, during the development of a movie streaming service, a query is needed to return a list of movie genres and the best movie in that based on the maximum average review rating. So let me try to explain the query, what they are asking. So basically we have two tables. One is movie table and another one is review related table. So if I execute these two queries, so you will see movie related information with genre, then movie, individual movie rating. So for example, Dark Knight is the movie name and the genre is action and the movie ID is 1. So for that movie, users provided the rating. So what we need to do here, basically the step 1, we need to join both the tables. Why we need to join? Basically, I need genre, title, and also rating info, right? So due to that reason, I need to join these two tables and bring the required information from both the tables. That is step 1. So in step 2, after joining, what I need to do? So after joining these two tables, let me write the query for that. Step 1, we will complete first, then we will go to the step 2. Yeah, join with reviews on movie.movie ID equals to from reviews review ID. Sorry, movie ID. So the joining is completed from movie ID column and from rating movie ID column. So once I joined these two tables, I got the required information. Here I use star. So instead of star, we will use only required columns. Genre I need, title I need, and also rating also I need. These three columns. So the joining is completed and the required information also completed from required tables. Pulling the required information from both the tables is completed. So the next step is as from the given question. So we need to find the average review rating. We need to find the average review rating. So for that, what we need to do, we need to perform the average operation. On what column? On what column? Rating column. Because average rating of the movie. Average rating of the movie, right? So due to that reason, we need to perform average operation on the rating column. So let me perform average of rating. The column name is AVG rating for each and every movie, right? For each and every movie. So due to that reason, I'm including group by. In group by, I'm using movie name and the genre because we need average rating for each and every movie. So average rating is completed. Average rating we find out for each and every movie. So the next part is, so we need to do the, let me go to the question. So we find out the average rating, but we need to find out the maximum average review rated movie. So here, if I go to the result, what you are seeing the rating for each and every movie. On top of this result set, you need to bring what is the maximum rated movie for each and every genre. So I think we have three genres. If I go to the, I think we have three genres: action, comedy, and drama. In action, what is the maximum rated movie? In comedy, what is the maximum rated movie? In drama, what is the maximum average rated movie? So for that, I need to provide the ranking within the genre. Then within that genre, what is the maximum rated movie? I need to find out. For example case, I will perform order by average rated movie in descending. Let me try to explain. This is not required now. Yeah. So for example, in drama category, in drama genre, this is the highest rated movie. So we need this info. Like in drama, Godfather; in action, Dark Knight; then in comedy, this one. So if I want to fetch these details, then I need to perform the row number, right? Within this drama, I need to within this drama, for example, what I'm trying to say. So within this, for example, within this drama genre, I need to provide the ranking. For highest rating 1, for second rating 2, for third rating 3, for fourth rating 4. So once I provide the ranking, I need to fetch the highest rated movie, which is nothing but first record within the genre. This is the highest rated movie for drama category. This is the highest rated movie for Dark Knight. Same way, comedy also we have one more movie. So to achieve this requirement, I need to perform row number. Row number. Basically, row number will provide the ranking to each and every value. Over in partitioning, partition by genre. Order by what? Order is very important here. Order by average rating. Order by average rating. So this is my ranking column. So here comma is missing. Let me run this query once. In descending order, right? In descending, not in ascend. By default, the order is descending. So we need a ranking in descending order. So for action, the Dark Knight is expected value. It is coming properly. For Dark Knight, we provided the rank 1. So we provided the rank. So the next step is we need to fetch only the rank 1 related data. So for that, I will use CTE as here select star from what CTE where rank equals to 1. From each category, from each genre, I will get the maximum average rated record. So I got the answer. I got the answer. But the question is, instead of providing the ranking average rating here, instead of providing the average rating here, we need to populate the stars actually. So if I go to the question, so basically instead of providing 4.55, 4.23, we need to provide the stars. So before populating the stars, one more step we need to do, that is we need to round the numbers, rated numbers into the nearest number. So we need to rounded the rated value, whatever the value we are seeing here, that we need to round it to nearest integer value. So for that, what I will do, I will bring only the required columns, title, then average rating is my column, but instead of pulling directly, so here this is my value, so I will perform the round operation, round of nearest integer, right? So due to that reason, integer means 0 decimals. Okay, I got the answer. Nearest integer is populated 4.5, 4.65, maybe 3, 4.1, then 4. So that is what happened. Now, okay, then what we need to populate, instead of rating, we need to populate stars, right? For that, we have one function, that is replicate. So basically, what replicate will do is it will populate the strings in a given, based on the given number. For example, select, if I write replicate star, star is my string, for example case, how many times you want to populate star? 5 times. Let me execute this query. 5 times it will populate it. For example, I want only single time. Then I need to provide that number. One time the star is provided. So same function we will use it here. We will use replicate here. Replicate what you want to replicate star. How many times? Based on the rating. So we populated rating, right? 5 rating, 4 rating, 3 rating. So based on the rating, it will populate the star. So let me Close this function. The column is rating. Let me execute the query one. So we got the required output. We got the required output. So to achieve this requirement, we performed a couple of steps. Let me explain the steps one more time. So basically what they are expecting is they are having two tables. One table is having movie related information and one more table is having review related information. So to bring the both the data, movie related information and rating related information, step one, we perform the joining. At step one, we performing the joining because I need movie info and also rating info. So due to that reason, we perform the joining. Then later, we need to perform average of rating for each and every movie. Average operation we need to perform on rating column for each and every movie. So that is also completed. Average operation we performed on rating column based on the based on given columns, that is movie and genre. Okay, average operation also we completed. Then after that, performing the average operation, we need to provide the ranking. Why we need to provide the ranking means we need to get to know what is the maximum rated movie. So, for example, we provided the rating here. Average rating is fine. We populated. But after populating the average rating, we need to get to know what is the maximum average rated movie within the genre. So, for example, for drama, we populated the average rating. After performing the average rating, we perform the row number within the genre. So we provided the rating based on the average rated value. For Godfather, we provided the rank one. Why? Within the drama genre, Godfather is having highest rating. So due to that reason, we provided rank one. Same case to action also. Dark Knight is having highest rating within this action genre. So once we populated ranking, then we filtered out only the required information. What is the required information? From each genre, we need only single record. The single record is maximum rated value. Then after that, we need to populate stars in place of 4.9. Why we rounded means for 4.9, I cannot able to populate stars. We don't have the options, right? Of 4.9 means how I can populate stars. So due to that reason, we bring this number to the nearest integer 5. Then we populated 5 stars. So this is the reason why we added rounding means, and this is the reason 4.3 means I cannot populate 4.3 stars. So due to that reason, we used a round to bring that number into the nearest integer. Then after that, we replicated stars based on the average rating. So this is the query. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos in SQL.